her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your loved wife?
Yes, I do.
Now, please say after me. Grant us, O Lord,
Grant us, O Lord,
to be one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. You may now express your personal vows.
Personal goals. Very good.